How much water does a Pygmy Date palm require each and every week? So the Pygmy Date palm, as you can see behind me here, or Phoenix Robolini, their water needs vary. Now, if you're starting off with a brand new Pygmy Date palm, yeah, every day, once you install that thing, you pick it up from the nursery, you plant it in the ground, you want to make sure to keep that root ball nice and wet for the establishment. But if you've got one like this one behind me here, which has been established for many years, it's probably about 9 or 10 feet tall. You don't want to give this thing water every single day. We don't recommend watering every single day for anything anyway here in Central Florida. But a lot of times, like this one is here, it's in the middle of the lawn. So the watering that it gets with your rotors or with your pop-up spray heads that come on twice a week is definitely enough. If you have this thing beside the house and it's going off with drip irrigation, that could be a completely different story. If that were, for me, in my case right there, I would only water that thing once a week and just let the drip zone take care of that. And that way it's getting what it needs. And what it needs is it basically needs to get wet, and then it needs to dry out. Most plants need that. If we keep it in a constantly wet state, it's going to lead to all kinds of problems. So one question though that I see all the time, and this has been for the last 30 years of my experience in the industry, is, oh, I think my palm has a problem, my Pygmy Date palm, because of the fact that I've got some yellowing or orange on the leaves, as you can see what's happening here on the tips. So what's occurring there? Is that a watering problem? No, it's not. The issue exists is that it's either got a potassium deficiency, number one, or number two, it's got a magnesium deficiency. Now the proper way to cure this is going to be to get some Palm Special fertilizer. You can probably find it in a 1349, and that will take care of the issues, or maybe an 8-12. And we want to make sure that when we apply the fertilizer to take care of this potassium or magnesium deficiency, that when it's applied to the base over there, you don't want to just put it around the actual stalks. You want to take, and it's this entire area where the roots are contained. So make sure your fertilizer is being applied around the entire root area of that, and then give it a good watering in. And one thing I do want to warn you about is that on these older leaves that you have here, where you already have that yellowing, that is not going to fix the issue. It will only fix the issue with the new leaves that are coming out on the Pygmy Date palm. So how much water does your Pygmy Date palm need? It needs probably once or twice a week, and that's about it. Let those roots dry out. And if you've got an issue with the yellowing, make sure to take care of it with some Palm Special. 4 times a year with the Palm Special, and you should be good. This is Brian with My Irrigation Guy. Have a great day.